we're just driving into the Canadian Rockies for the first time. We have made it to, oh, fell in a hole. We have made it to Banff National Park and we're just about to do Tunnel Mountain Trail.
Watch as the Canadian moose wanders through the car park. As you can see, it is shedding its winter fur.
We made it! As if it was really, really hard. So this is our first campsite in Banff National Park, and me and Vicky have just put up our tent, feeling very proud of ourselves. Just got to hammer the nails in now. It's about 6:30 in the morning, just woke up, and we survived our first night sleeping in a tent. It's actually quite cosy. I woke up in the night really cold and I had to double jumper. And then it was okay. I've got 2 pairs of trousers on as well. It's day 2 and we're on our way to Yoho National Park. I'm just chilling at the back of the bus with my new bestie. Bear with us, we're going to come up with a name.
Oh! Hello! So welcome to our first glacial lake together. Woo! Emerald Lake. Woo!
We are on the Emerald Lake in Yoho National Park. Yoho, Yoho, a pirate's life for me.
So we are in Alberta, Canada, and we've just arrived at Lake Louise.
Oh, thanks. It's 5 AM on day 3. I woke up like this. We've got a really exciting day ahead, so it's gonna be amazing. I don't even care that I'm up this early. Apparently we have a surprise, but we all have to wear blindfolds, and I've put mine on a little bit preemptively. This was the surprise. So we all just had our blindfolds on, turned around, and then we got to see this. And it's amazing. Will I like the surprise? Simba, it's to die for. We've just got to our first proper stop of the day and we're about to go on a helicopter ride over the Rockies, over a glacier, and I'm so flipping excited. I've never been on a helicopter before, so wish me luck, it's gonna be awesome. You are so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, this is amazing. That was incredible. We just flew over mountains, there was snow, there was waterfalls. I genuinely had a little cry, got a bit overwhelmed, but it was so good. It was the best thing I've ever done. Going back in for round 2, and this time I'm allowed to sit in the front of the helicopter, so I'm very excited.
How was it?
So good. I have no words. So good. So good. We're on the top of a mountain. No, glacier. Glacier. We're on the top of a glacier. We're just in Jasper National Park now. We camped last night and it's a lot warmer than it was in Banff, so we've all had a much more comfortable night's sleep. Gonna have a bit of a chill day today in Jasper, go for a little bike ride, and then tonight we're going to some hot springs, which I'm very excited about.
We're at the Jasper Brewing Company and we're going to try some beers. The first one is the Jasper the Bear Ale and the second one is the Crystals.
Are you reading those off the menu?
Yeah. Basically just chips and gravy.
Alright girls?
Yeah.
What I like is because you're wearing matching outfits, you kind of look like you're in prison. Come on flippers, you can do it! We are about halfway through our Trek America trip and we're just crossing the border now into British Columbia on our way to Wells Grey Provincial Park.
What we have behind us, behind the clouds here, is Mount Robson.
We are hiking to Kinney Lake. That's all the facts I have.
And I'm wearing a trash bag.
Yes, Simon is wearing a rubbish bag. It's just a style statement, that's all. He's just
the new collection from Trek 24. Get it now.
What noise does the cougar make? Well, that was good. Vicky? There's no. Just do us a 12? Oh. We are going to the saloon. Yeehaw!
And if the piano stops playing, you gotta get the hell out of there.
No, it wasn't. We are in Wells Grey Park, which is apparently known as the Waterfall Park because of all the waterfalls that it has. And we've come to Helmken Falls.
The power of life.
This one is called Dawson's Fall. A bit like Dawson's Creek. Yeah. I don't wanna wait.
I don't wanna wait for my life to be over.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. So we're just going for a little hike to a third waterfall, but we've been dropped off. We have no supervision. The guides are not with us. So we've packed this wilderness survival guide. It is our night to cook at camp tonight. So we're making a cheeky stir fry. We've got some turkey, a lot of veg. I've got Millie on hand to help out. Simon has done a runner and is nowhere to be seen. No, he has been helping. Everybody's having a good time? Good time?
Yes, very good time.
Everybody's having a great time. Look, Kate's here. So we're leaving Wells Grey today and heading for Whistler, but we've had a quick stop off at one last waterfall. Everyone say woo! Woo! I've been married long time ago. We've just arrived at Whistler, which is our last stop. So we've got 2 nights here in Whistler Campground. Just put up our little tent and we're gonna go and have a shower. It's been a really, really long driving day, so we're gonna go and have a little relax, I think. Vloggers vlogging in the wild. Right, it is our last day. We're on our way to Vancouver. We just stopped off at one last waterfall, which is looking pretty amazing over there. I've nearly lost my voice from all the singing in the bus and all the beers and all the outdoor time of the last couple of days. It's been the most amazing trip. I don't want to go home.
My highlight has to be walking on a glacier.
I think my highlight is just days out and the interactions with friends, old and new.
Aww. What's your favourite thing about being a Trek America guide? No pressure, but you have to answer this really well.
Exceeding people's expectations, but on like an emotional level. So if someone is coming out for maybe they've lost someone or it's an anniversary of some sort, and then you can plan a surprise for them at like a really epic spot. So like at a lake or after a hike, and just really blowing their mind.
My favourite thing about being a Trek America guide is starting off with 10 strangers who don't know each other, and then finishing with just a really great crew who can have some good beers, some Banff stuff, and just an all-around good time around the campsite. So yeah, I'd say mission accomplished on this one. So good job, guys.